What is up? My name is Chris Colgan, and today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 scariest Halloween attractions in the state of Virginia. Roll some kind of creepy intro.
Where am I?
You're behind the couch.
What? How do you know that?
All right, I appreciate you checking out my channel. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. We talk about all things DMV related, Virginia related, real estate, and more. But today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 scariest Halloween attractions to go visit in the state of Virginia for the month of October during Halloween time. Let's just get right into it, because some of these really, I'm into scary movies and all that, and I did a video on this last year, but some of these really freaked me out. And number 1, the Haunted Hill in Spotsylvania. The first creepiest thing I saw about this place is you have to sign a waiver to go in there, and you cannot be under 12 years old. But really stood out to me was it said, and I can't say this without laughing, because it says, we will take you into the deep woods of Spotsylvania County. If you've never been to Spotsylvania County, there is not much out there. So the fact that you're gonna go in the deep woods of Spotsylvania County, during the day, I would actually be freaked out, okay?
This is freaking me out, dude.
So it says zombies coming out everywhere. You gotta sign a waiver. Okay, one other thing real quick, and I hate to keep jumping around. All these places say they were ranked number 1. So they all must be using different type of polling systems, but this place says it's ranked number 1 in the state of Virginia. My guess would be this is and my phone's going off, it's probably a ghost right there.
Yo. What's up?
My guess would be this is probably a very scary one, not good for kids, but that is gonna be the top one in Spotsylvania. That's close to the Richmond area, and halfway between Northern Virginia and Richmond. Number 2, King's Dominion on the weekends during the Halloween season has a thing where you walk around and zombies jump out of you. I was there 2 weekends ago, right? And they were setting up for it, and all I saw were killer clowns and jail stuff, it looked like it was a circus. It looked pretty damn creepy. That thing, they said they have 400 monsters walking around. So you walk around, you ride rides. That one is very popular. It usually has very, very long lines if they offer it. I definitely would get a fast pass if you can skip the line, because I know a ton of people that go to this. I know they have one down in Busch Gardens as well. But that one, they said this is their 20th year going on. This will probably be more kid-friendly. Again, it's gonna be a little expensive, but you're gonna be walking around the amusement park, riding rides, getting scared. I've heard people jump out at you with chainsaws and all that. And this year it's a Hansel and Gretel. Is that how you said it? Am I saying that right? Yeah, theme. See, I'm so scared right now. I can't even talk. And they said they have a Big Bad Wolf and Little Red Riding Hood. So it must be I don't even know, some kind of, that's even creepy in itself to hear them talk about old children's tales, you know what I'm saying? But that one, definitely check that one out.
Okay.
All right, number 3. This one right here, I've lived around here my whole life. I've never even heard about this. It says Shocktober's Paxton Manor. Apparently, have you ever heard of that place, Bobby? It's in Leesburg, Virginia. It says it has over 40 rooms full of the creepiest characters and scares, and Travel Magazine ranked it number 5 of the actually most scariest Halloween attraction in the United States. Travel and Leisure Magazine. This place, again, you gotta have a waiver to get into it. No kids are allowed, and if you took your kids to one of these, you're an idiot anyway, so I don't even know why you even have to just give that disclaimer.
You're stupid.
The other thing is too, this thing is actually supposedly really haunted, and I brought this up to one of my fellow coworkers. I had to laugh. She said, oh no, I'm not going there because I heard ghosts follow you, and I thought she was kidding, but she was actually serious. And then after I got done laughing, she was like, I'm not going there. Ghosts, that place is supposedly 150 years old. Ghosts really do follow you home, and it's one of the creepiest places around. So it's your chance to go into it, go check it out at night. That place though too, from what I've heard, you can pay extra for a fast pass. I hate waiting in line, but that place, the line I've heard can be an hour to 90 minutes just to even get in. It is hugely popular. Another thing with this one and some other ones, they've all said you got to have a mask no matter, even if you're vaccinated. So definitely keep that in mind. They show up with a mask. And I don't think they mean a Halloween mask. They mean like a freaking face mask, okay? Next one, which would be like more like for kids and stuff like that. I've gone on some of these before, and then you almost pass out because the person that usually like takes you around is very boring, but maybe they won't be on this one. Haunts of Richmond. They just walk you around the different old parts of Richmond, show you the town, probably old Civil War stuff. They tell you ghost stories where some lady, you know, probably waved to some kids at night, and there's like all these old stories. That one's going to be more like kid related, where it's actually like a walking tour where you just like walk around the town of Richmond. Not going to be the most scariest, but definitely one to check out for sure. Last but not least, number 5, Cox Farms, located in Loudoun County. That is like a well-known, huge, like pumpkin patch, but they also at night have, which this really haunts me out. I don't really like these. They have a corn maze where you have to like walk around. Zombies, you know, ghosts, whatever, killer farmers jump out at you and all that. That one is also very highly popular with long lines. They also have a haunted woods that you walk through as well. That place is also extremely popular. So that's in Cox Farms by Centerville, Virginia, close to Washington, D.C. Not a bad drive from like Virginia Beach, like 2.5, 3 hours. So these are my top 5. These are all active. I went to check on them. They're all up and running. Just keep in mind, again, you're going to want to bring a mask. Some of these places require a form to be filled out. If some kind of sick thing is going on there where they put you in one of those caskets and touch you and all that.
Oh, hell no.
So these are my top 5 scariest attractions. And if you have, I can't believe I'm actually seriously going to tell you that and be like, hey, if you have any real estate questions, hit me up, like you would anyways, but sound like a psycho right now. But if you hit me up, text me below if you ever have any Virginia real estate related questions. Follow us on here on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. Let's keep blowing this thing up. And comment below if you go to any of these or if you've been to any of these. I'd love to see which is the scariest, and we will go and I'll try to vlog it for you guys. All right, happy Halloween.